It's time to install Windows XP on the Windows XP computer. Let's power it on and see if it'll actually work. Sounds promising. Hey, we got something on the screen. It's really dim, but there is something. Okay, so let's see. It looks like everything's there. Does it say what? Does it say? Okay, so yeah, that looks right. So we're gonna actually put the disk in a moment. So we're gonna reboot and put the Windows XP disk in. Actually, I'll grab that real quick. Boxed copy. Sorry for the voice crack. Home edition is the only thing. I wanted Pro, but you know, can't have everything. So let's actually look at what's inside this box. I don't even know what half this stuff is. Oh, actually I do. That's just for that Sony Vaio, or Val, whatever it is. Laptop that I got from that Craigslist haul. So we got the booklet. This one just tells you, what does it tell you? Hope my how code isn't on there, because like I just showed some of it. Oh well. Should really be looking at this beforehand. Okay. With the disc. Looks brand new. Let's see, what is all this stuff? Project 2003. I'll have to look that up. Unless you know what it is, put it in the bottom. I have no clue what it is. Wait, what? Sony System Recovery. Okay, that'll actually work for when I redo that one. And then Microsoft Word. Oh, we got Word. Product can at bottom. I'm not showing you. We got Word. We'll put that on there. What kind is it? 2002? That'll work. I really don't care. I can probably get CD keys on that from WinWorld PC or whatever it's called. I think that's what it's called. These are all the other things from the Vaio. What is this? What is this sheet of paper? MS Project. I don't even know. I don't really want to show you because I don't know if it's personal or not. It just says a bunch of codes. Like, they look like CD keys, and it says MS Project, Project Standard, Visio. There's like 3 different categories. I don't know if I should show you, but it says that, and then it has all these codes. I don't know if I'm going to show because I'm not sure what it is. I really shouldn't really shouldn't care about these codes because it's so old. But I don't know. A lot of people care, so I'm not gonna show it either. So that's that. Let's install it. Oh yeah, it's Service Pack 2 if you were wondering. We do gotta boot it up one more time so we can open the disk drive. Actually, you could probably put it in right now. Which one was it? That was this one, right? Or was it the Start Here one? I don't even remember. Here we go. Let me very carefully take this out and then it'll be in. Delete. Okay, here we are. Let's see if we... I don't know if this has hyperthreading. Let's see how we can do that. I'm not sure if that's it. What I got it here. Oh, here we go. You can see I'm very experienced with the BIOS. Let's see. Actually, this is gonna be important. I'm not even sure which one's which. Oh, I guess this is. Yeah. I really wasn't planning on using the CD drive, so I could probably just delete this one, or move it or something. If I can figure out where the keys are. I don't even know. Enter. Give me a moment. This is gonna be a pain for you to watch. From what I read, it should already be enabled, but I don't even know. So I'm just gonna let it go. And if I need to set it up, like if you guys know in the comments, please comment below, because I really want to have it set up with hyper-threading, if it's possible. So we're just gonna boot it up and see if it boots. Hoping so. Delete. Well, we were just in delete, weren't we? I'm not really sure. I hate doing this. Hey, we got it. I think. I hope so. You know how loud that is? Just listen for a second. I'll open it up in a moment while it's loading. Give me a second. I don't know why it's not doing anything. There's the inside. Oh, I only have one fan. I meant to hook up two, but I only have one. Whoops. The graphics card's pretty hot. That's the hottest thing in this thing. And probably the processor's the hottest. It is a Pentium 4. Because this ain't even really connected. That's probably just getting heat from there. Yeah, the metal, that's hot. Come on, Windows setup, do something. It's not doing anything. The disk drive stopped. That might be good. Oh, we got something. Oh, it turned black and then it turned back to blue. Setup is starting Windows. Hey, we got it. It says something about being easy. I thought maybe that's just me. Let's see, this portion. Let me read this and then we'll go on. Actually, we're gonna click enter. Enter. Alright, we're turning this off. And I'm gonna unhook the drive so it doesn't even have to look at a CD drive. Wow, that's loud. Okay, so it took quite a while to figure out, for the CD drive to figure out what it's doing. Because it kept wanting to come in and out and it was slow. I think it's about dead. Because I could push it in and then it would just slowly come back out. So I'm back when something happens. Why does it always happen? It's not working. I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna click repair, because maybe this hard drive had XP on it at one time. I really don't know. F3. F3. R. We're gonna try that. Type exit. Well, crap. That's not gonna work. I don't know what that means. You have to type in exit. Oh. Well guys, this channel still has not seen a proper Windows installation on anything. Millennium, XP, 10, maybe Vista. I tried Vista once. I did it myself off camera, I think. Never ends up working. I don't know what this dude wants to do right now. I don't know. This might be installed by myself sometime. I really don't know what I'm doing. I might call a couple computer stores and ask them, just because they probably know more than me. I didn't grow up with building computers, especially XP computers. I grew up. I was born in 2000. If that says anything. Like Windows XP was just coming out, and like what was it, 02 or something like that. So I kind of missed it by a bit. If I was born in the 90s, I probably would have remembered it a little more. I remember using it all the time, but nothing else. Alright, thanks for watching another fail video. This is an upgrade CD?